Good morning, Eastview. Hope you are doing well on this Monday morning, September 8th. This is our daily announcement number 11. Your QOD is on the weekend. You're just giving your highlight. Hopefully you had something good to share. My in-class folks, period 7 and 8, we're going to be doing something called ET memes. There's some of the essential technology memes. We're doing a quizzes game and Q&A. Periods 1, 2, and 6, you'll get that tomorrow. Everybody today is doing Design Challenge 4, which I'm excited about. It's a really fun one. It's picture in picture. You're eventually going to make some picture that, doesn't kind of go together. Mr. B from Larson's going to be our guest teacher today. He does an awesome job, so you guys are going to like that. He even does a good job showing you guys how to get images, and he even throws in a cool Elite Challenge where you can use like a rear view mirror like that, and I think he even does one with airplanes. But you'll get to go through everything. It's all there for you. In the agenda, I did put a shortcut here that'll take you directly to the challenges. If you are getting stuck or getting confused, I had like 2 people contact me that want to get help with the stamp tool. Office hours are at 3 p.m. today. Shoot me an email right around 3. I'll give you a link to get in. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day.